Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make bread with yogurt. First, gather your ingredients and ensure your workspace is clean and ready. Yogurt is a fantastic addition to bread, offering a lovely tang and incredible moisture. It also helps create a wonderfully soft crumb. This simple recipe is ideal for anyone new to baking, promising delicious results with just a few straightforward steps. Let's get started on this delightful baking journey. Now, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whisk these dry ingredients together in a large bowl until well combined. Next, add 1 cup of plain yogurt and 1/4 cup of milk to the dry mixture. Stir everything until a shaggy dough forms, ensuring no dry spots remain. This initial mix is crucial for a consistent texture. Once your dough is shaggy, turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. Knead the dough for about 5 to 8 minutes. You'll notice it becoming smooth, elastic, and less sticky. Form it into a ball, then place it in a lightly greased bowl, turning it once to coat all sides. Cover the bowl with a clean kitchen towel or plastic wrap. Allow the dough to rise in a warm spot for approximately 1 hour or until it has nearly doubled in size. Finally, it's time to bake your delicious yogurt bread. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Gently reshape your risen dough into a loaf and place it on a baking sheet. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until the crust is beautifully golden brown. To ensure it's fully cooked, an instant-read thermometer inserted into the center should register 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it cool completely before slicing and enjoying your homemade, tender bread.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.